Hey guys, it's Sherman. I'm one of the techs here at video1repair.com. I just wanted to do a quick video talking about SD card slot problems on your Sony Alpha camera. This is the card slots on a Sony A7M3. It's the same type of situation as the A7R, M3, and M4, as well as the A9. The problems that we see with card slots not working is, like in this case, the card slot just doesn't click into place, won't stay in. We've also seen other issues where it will go into like a format error, or it's as you're recording, all of a sudden your recording will stop abruptly. We've also seen it going into different errors. We've also seen issues where there's pieces of the SD card that is broken off inside of the card slots. And what we do there is we use a microscope and some special tools to be able to remove those plastic pieces from the memory cards and fix the camera. That we're able to do much easier than replacing the complete card slot. Luckily, the card slots don't fail very often. The only time that we'll typically see the card slots fail is when somebody puts a defective card or damaged card or under very, very excessive use. So what we're going to have to do is remove this card slot and then replace it with a brand new card slot. We have very, very specialized soldering equipment to be able to remove these card slots and replace them without having to replace the main board. If you're having any problems with the card slots on your Sony camera, just give me a call. I'd be very happy to talk to you about it or answer any questions for you.